Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors, again in Wigan. I'm Graham, and today I'm going to show you around one of the hottest cars to get hold of at the moment, and that is the iconic Land Rover Defender 90. Now this particular vehicle is a 22 model year vehicle and has just done over 2,600 miles from new. Now this car has over £9,000 worth of factory options, an absolute delight in every respect. So this particular customer who ordered the vehicle had many older Defenders and wanted something that had very similar in its appeal. So straight away this one has the Explorer package on it, which comprises of snorkel up the side of the vehicle, roof rack, mud flaps, and the Explorer case on the side, on the passenger side rear. We've got the 90 decal, which if you look at the Defenders of the late sort of 80s, 90s, and the model before this, lovely factory option, that decal. This one has got the wheel arch protectors also. So the Defender previously would have the rubber wheel arch protectors. You can offer and get the factory option of the wheel arch protectors, which just sort of brings the vintage into the modern vehicle. This vehicle then is sat on the 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, which are in the satin black finish, and they're riding on obviously Pirelli Scorpion tyres. Now the external has the black package also, so we've got the grills are all black, we've got the mesh look checker plate on there, black, all the badges on the Defender are also black, but as we come round the car, Dom, we can see that it is in as new condition. It's ready today. You can drive it away in the same day, so if you're out there looking for one of these at the moment, this is available today to drive away in. No waiting list. We're not going to be ringing you in 12 months time telling you that it's ready. It's ready today. So we've got 360 surround cameras, the off-road Explorer pack as well as the mud flaps. Now looking in the boot, that's as new, carried nothing, and we've got the Defender spare wheel also as well. We've got the rubber mat in here, and we've got the bulkhead. This vehicle has a removable tow bar as well that has never been used. That's there, still in its packet, never been used. So there's some very, very nice options, as I say, totaling just on £9,000. Probably one of the highest specification vans available today. I've sold a couple so far, but one it's not had this specification. Obviously your Explorer pack is the outside as well. So when we pop the door open, we've got the full off-road rubber mat set as well on top of the rubber floor, but fully loaded in here, heated seats, satellite navigation, USB, air conditioning, cruise control, powerful mirrors, everything that a top of the range vehicle would have, then this has also. Lovely to drive, 3-litre diesel engine, absolutely gorgeous. What more can I say? Balance of manufacturer's warranty for the next 3 years, but I'm sure everybody will agree there, what an absolute cracker of a vehicle. So if you've got any use for this, give us a call in Wigan. I'm Graham, Dom's on the camera, we've got Lee in the showroom. We'll be happy to help you in any way. You need finance, we've got some great finance packages. If you've got a part exchange, we will take part exchange, whether it be a commercial vehicle or a car, we will take them on this vehicle. So at the moment, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.